ready.
We're here. It's not about the destination. It's about the journey.
What's the time? Nah, it's tama time, baby. It's tama time.
Kia ora te whānau, it is your Pau resident, your Tupawaki, Porori Tupatu Redi. As you can see, our whānau, we're about to go on our haerenga to Ahitereiria via the Gold Coast. We're going to be doing some awesome mahi with the whānau over there. Plus, you know, get a little bit of sunshine and also bring the good vibes as well. So make sure to tune in. This is going to be an epic haerenga that you will be definitely want to tune into. Let's go! Ba ba ba!
You wanna go build a snowman? You build a snowman.
Listen, it really ain't the same. We're heading out to Aussie and it ain't no game. Let me spit bars, let me spit some flames. Y'all should be ashamed. Some people lame, but not others. That's why we heading out to Gold Coast, man.
Man, Team Money Man, Team Rocky, you know what I mean? It's all time right now, baby, here in the Gold Coast. Welcome, baby.
They left it down there.
Chat. You know, let's be a listen. There's actually a really good quote. There's a really good quote, and I'm just trying to find it. You know, I might have failed there, but you know what they say? A failure isn't a failure because they failed. A failure is a failure because they quit.
Mana wave, mana wave. My buddy out here. Spidey! She was a Spidey, but she was a Spidey. She was a Spidey. Thanks, Sammy. Oh my gosh. Look at our space. We got a double bed. We got the bathroom. Oh, this is our one. Oh. Oh.
Renee and her buddies.
Literally. Oh my gosh. You're lying. Bro, look at this view. That's insane.
Hey queens!
We outside. Look at all the light. Look at it. That looks unreal.
Unbelievable,
Oh my god.
right?
Thank you.
We are
Thank
so
you for choosing
privileged.
us.
Yeah, we are so
Oh my. Yesterday, how are we feeling, guys?
Feeling great. What is officially day one? Day one here in the GC, and you know, starting off good. Went to the gym, went for a swim, and now we're on our way for kaupapa. So, yeah.
Feeling really great. Excited to go see what this university looks like and just go do some whakawhanangatanga.
Best morning, what do you call it? Like I've ever had.
I got up all really good, but woke up really nice.
Yeah, I woke up at like 5:30. But to be honest, that's like 8:30 back home. So.
I'm feeling great. Period.
But we're in the Gold Coast, baby. It's tama time. Team man, team money man. We out here. Sun is shining, grass is green, trees are blooming. And today we're going to be blooming.
Gee, there's a Frank Green University bro, sponsored, bro. Here, we got the kai,
Goodbye.
Pacific academics that are in the Logan, Gold Coast, Brisbane area. in 2021, Australia had the first Pacifica professor, only in 2021. So, like, you know, we're still catching up.
Tangi, what's something you learnt today?
Wow. I need to think about this. I learned that they don't actually have their own like separate association, like one that you can like roll over for the next years, you know, have something carry on. Yeah, they like create a club, and then when that whole cohort is gone, that club is gone. It's pretty buzzy. Yeah, I feel like we're giving them a little bit of a showcase on what what they could have. It's pretty low-key pretty sad, but
Grateful.
yeah.
What did you think about the workshop?
The workshop was good. I thought it was a good realization, and you know, really insightful about what's, you know, about the indigenous culture here and what's really happened. And not to compare or anything, but like, you know, what's being done to Māori back in Aotearoa is bad, but like what's being done here, from what I've heard, is a lot worse than how it has been for us. Yeah, that's the big one.
Yeah. Your thoughts, Liam, on the workshop we just had with Auntie Kerry?
You know, there was some stuff that, you know, that Auntie Kerry talked about, and she talked about, you know, the truth. And then Uncle Levi, Dr. Levi, talked about, for the truth shall set you free. Mā te pono ka wātia. And whānau, I'm telling you, the truth is right there, and it's going to set us free. It's going to set us free. No, but seriously, as I've touched on before, we're in a different country, but it seems that there's a similarity when it comes to treatment of Indigenous people, and we need to become more aware of that whānau. And you know, that's why I'm really glad to be on this wānanga, for me to open my mind, because I grew up in Australia, and in primary school they taught us that James Cook just rocked up and, you know, he found Australia, and they kind of didn't really talk about the other stuff that Auntie Kerry was talking about. So it's really good to, you know, get that perspective. Yeah, the true and the, you know, the real history of Ahitereiria, Australia. You know, people want to glam, you know, they want to glam over it, they want to sprinkle colour it, but really, the truth is, it's not a child's storybook. It's not your typical like fairy tale Australia's history. It's much more, you know, it's way more than that. It's real, and you know, just like histories in a lot of countries, it's ugly. But in order to find the beauty, we've got to get that ugly out there, whānau.
And be aware.
And be aware. Be aware.
Stay woke. Stay woke.
One, two, three.
Let's go, Trim. Can't boy. Oh. Get the GA out of here. Get that GA now. Nah, kidding. Go Lola. Go Larissa.
Look at the view.
The only view you need is us in front of it.
The only view you need is the big bags. Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag.
Stefano, I'm about to go viral on TikTok for giving food to the homeless.
Look, we have.
Let's record this. If this one is pink, Aaliyah and Renee are gonna jump on the slingshot with me.
Paid by you.
If this is pink,
Paid by you.
Paid by you.
Oh, I missed my face.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Yeah. They were
Maloa people. We're just waiting for our ride. We got the boys.
The angry right there.
you know what? How about we have a little tour of Tomatoes, man?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Andy's still there.
No,
You
those
know,
are all
it used to
dirty
be
clothes.
worse until I made a video of it. When I made a video of it, it was way worse. And then you decided to clean it all up.
Oh, you want to be
It's still
clean?
messy.
Hang on,
It's
bring the
still
camera down.
messy.
Camera.
His.
These fans always talking about me. These fans are...
Okay, so we're currently outside, we're going for a young walk, and there's Missouri, she's walking by. Say hey, so have you found the conference so far?
I love it. It's great meeting everyone, learning
Yes.
about our culture, sharing with each other. I love it.
I love it, right? It's like indigenous info sharing, right?
Guys, we should do this more often.
We really need to do this more often. Hey followers, so today is the tour of our kaupapa here in HAERENGA. We are currently at Nathan campus, one of 5 campuses that Griffith University has. We're currently in the design school going for a little walk around. As you can see our whānau over here. We're going a bit of a teepee high there into the amazing infrastructures.
Yay!
Period! Right, my friend Elsa, right? How are we doing this morning?
Doing great yourself.
Oh, I'm doing swimmingly, mate. I'm feeling good.
Our morning exercise.
Yep, 100%.
You know what I said? I said, oh man, there's so many stairs, I hope we don't have to walk back up.
And lo and behold, he put it into the universe and we're walking back up. I look fun. Look at this! Look at this! Like, this is heaven for me personally. Like having one of these in the funny, like, oh my goodness, the switch is off. And then look at the couches. Like, how comforting. Like, oh my god. Like you can sit here. Yeah, you can sit there and then look, jam the game over there. Like, dubs TF. Like, oh my gosh. And look. We got all flash computers. Good study spaces. And the outside space.
Rain or sun.
So, oh my gosh, this place has got everything that you could possibly need to succeed. Hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully. Results may vary.
We've just arrived at our Gamari office at Griffith. There's a Gamari office at every single campus for First Nations students. For Māori and Pacifica, the only office we have is at our Logan campus, which is 24-hour access. Not sure who's working today. I'm hoping they can give us a tour of their space to show how important it is that these students have support. But we're going to go in. It's nice and flash, so yeah, get your cameras out.
okay, whānau, so look at this space, like look at the quality that they've got here. I mean, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look, they've got a tap here where you can choose either boiling water or chilled water. Like, you ain't never seen that at Otago, period. And look at this, a straight black, all black. Like, oh my God, Otago would never. Look at this, you even have storage. You also have storage for everything. Like, oh my gosh, like what else could you possibly want here? Like, dang.
Significant dates for mom. Look at this.
Weird. Look at that.
They're all Aboriginal activists.
When I was in primary school, I learned Aboriginal patterns. And my dad actually bought a $120 Aboriginal shirt. And I thought it was wise to let my bro Matariki Kara borrow this $120 shirt that was given to me from my dad. Kia ora Matariki, I'm still waiting for that shirt back. I don't think I'd last a year here finally. It's too much cardio for me. Shout out to Otago University, top 5 most beautiful campuses in the world. Did you know that, Renee?
I did not.
It's a true fact too. I'm not lying.
Words of wisdom every day, this one.
It's our last day here in the GC. It's been such an awesome week with an amazing kaupapa, getting to connect with other indigenous whānau, out there in the Isle. And it was just great to connect and to share, that mātauranga that we all have together, and to uplift and ensure that we help each other in our respective spaces, because we're all in this together, we're all on the same waka, and we're for the kaupapa. So yeah, it's a very wholesome wake cup. It's definitely full, and I mean, look at this, look at this. See, look, you can't even, get another view like this ever again. So very, very extremely grateful for our whānau here in the GC, to our Griffith whānau, and of course to my bestie Bill Page, for taking a chance on us. E mihi ana ki a koe e hoa, and this has been the best time, period.
You're out here at Tamaki.
Oh, it only just says tiny.